Hello friends, I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm just going to give you a little tour of my workspace. This is where I do my crafting, painting, and where I started filming my DIY videos. So this big work unit thing is made by a company called the original Scrapbox. I'm not sure if they're still in business, but some of you guys might have heard of it. I know they went viral some years ago, maybe 4 or 5 years ago. They were all over Facebook. I remember seeing photos and videos of these scrap boxes, as they call it. But yeah, we didn't buy this directly from the company. We actually found this unit on a website called Kijiji, which is, I think it's the equivalent of Craigslist. So it was a little bit discounted, and the previous owners had already done all the hard work. They had, build it and put it all together. So we went ahead and picked it up, and I've had this now for about 2.5 years, and I love it. I love all the storage and having everything within, arm's reach. For the most part, it holds most of my tchotchkes. So yeah, but anyways, I thought I would just give you guys a closer look so you can see all the compartments and how I've kind of organized everything. So we'll start on the left here. Okay, so on this side, I have all my glitter and crafting paints. So as you can see, there's like a plastic strip that goes across, so it keeps anything from, falling over. I do have a lot of Martha Stewart brand glitter paint. This is what I used to buy when I was first getting into paper flowers. Nowadays, I just mix loose glitter with Mod Podge, and voila, I have glitter paint for what I think is a little bit cheaper. But yeah, the Martha Stewart brand is really nice, and they do have a lot of color selection. But yeah, it's just a little bit pricey. Then here are some of my crafting paints, which is all like metallic finishes. Here I have some loose glitters. Then over here, this is where I keep all my X-Acto knives, wire cutters, hole punches. Oh, this is the company name right here. Sorry, having trouble focusing. Then down here we have some nice hooks, so I've just hung all my scissors. Some more shelves down here. And then these plastic pouches have Velcro on the back, so you can easily take them on, or put them on and take them off. Then over here we have a whole bunch of drawers. Lots of them. You don't have to use the drawers. You can just use the shelves, and the shelves are customizable, so you can have them whatever height you want. I like to use the shelves, or sorry, the drawers, just because a lot of my stuff is, loose and small, and so the drawers hold everything in nicely. These little ones I don't use as much. They're a little bit of an odd shape. I don't have a lot of stuff that fits in there. So yeah, those I don't use as much. I do have some Velcro and stamps in them right here, but that's about it. Another cool thing about these drawers is that they do have these metal pieces, so they hold the labels. I did start labeling stuff when I first got the box, but I quickly gave up when I realized it was going to take forever. But eventually I would like to have everything, nicely labeled. Just don't know when that's going to happen. Then this section here I really, really like. So I just have all my loose paper, set up nicely in here. I like how I can easily get in there and, grab what I need. So yeah, that's a really nice feature. Then down here we have some more drawers. Yeah. So I just have a ruler, a pencil, erasers in there. This one holds my glue guns. And in this one, this is all the stencils that I've made for my big paper flowers. I keep those in here. Oh, it also comes with a nice bright LED light. This is perfect for me, especially since I usually work here in the middle of the night. It's nice to have a bright light. Then down here we have the table. The table does fold down. Oh, and actually the whole unit folds in to where it kind of looks like a dresser or a wardrobe. I'll insert a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, if I have people coming over, I fold it in, and then that way everything is safe. And then, you know, it kind of frees up more room in the living room. So yeah, that's really cool. But yeah, this is a painting that I'm working on that hopefully I will have finished very, very soon. We have some more space back here. It's a bit of a mess. Oh, let me show you my business cards. So this card right here, this is what I used when I was doing my paper flowers. I haven't taken any paper flower orders this year. I don't think I will, but you know, there's always next year. My friend actually helped design these for me. She has an Instagram. It's called Gprez Designs. So she does a lot of graphic design. And yeah, if you guys are looking for some beautiful wall art, you should definitely check her out. She has a lot of great wall prints. And then these cards over here I use for my paintings and drawings. This wolf I painted for a friend a few years back. And then on the back is a portrait of my mom as a sugar skull. And she usually displays this around Halloween time, so that's kind of cool. Then we'll go over on this side. So the way I've kind of organized everything is anything to do with like DIYs, crafting, I keep on the left here. And then anything to do with painting and drawing, I have on the right. So as you can see, these shelves are a little bit smaller than the ones on this side. And here I just have all my paints, my inks, containers to hold water. I keep over on this side. Down here I have a whole bunch of canvases. And then over here we have a whole bunch of those Velcro pouches. And they do hold a lot of stuff, so they do come in handy. This thing also came with the box. I believe this is probably like a drink holder, but I just use it to hold my blow dryer and my glue gun. And then this is supposed to be a little trash can, but I just hold more of my stuff in here. And I just show you underneath here, we have some more shelves, and I just have a whole bunch of tubs of paint, my gel mediums, sketchbooks. This toolbox holds all my paint brushes, charcoal, pastel colors, that kind of stuff. And then lastly, on the back here, I have a dry erase board. That's what it's called, right? Dry erase board. I think that's what it's called. But anyways, this is really cool. You know, I would write any notes or, you know, due dates for paper flower orders. It kind of helped keep me organized. So, and it goes all the way down. So a lot of writing space. And then this shelf is another secondhand shelf that we got off Kijiji. And this is where I keep the stuff that didn't fit in my Scrapbox. Come on, focus. There we go. So yeah, this is all the stuff that didn't fit in the Scrapbox. And most of this stuff is for future DIY videos. So, well, that one you already saw, but yeah. So that is a closer look at my Scrapbox. This is where I spend a lot of my nights when everybody's sleeping. I like to come here and just, you know, get lost in my work. So yeah, like I said, I love this thing so far. It has worked out really well for me. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, take care and bye.